craze. How long will it last? Meme coins are going full beast mode again, guys. And let's look into it. How long will it last? Should you take profits? Should you get into meme coins? Are there any better opportunities right now? What's the bull market going to do anyway? I'll dive into some pros and cons in this little video so that you have a little bit more of things to make your decisions based on. Even though nothing in this video is financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know your personal situation, and it's not any advice whatsoever. It's just for entertainment purposes. Hey guys, my name is Blockchain Bernie, broadcasting live from fabulous Las Vegas. So let's dive into some of these meme coins here. We have Peanut leading everything. And for those of you who don't know, Peanut the squirrel, that was that story, that, just a few days before the election went viral. And there was a guy on TikTok, or a couple actually, that had a few animals and the squirrel among them. And they were successful on TikTok, and then the local government, democratic government, stopped by and ordered that squirrel to get euthanized and basically killed it. And that was weaponized by, the election advertising guys, right? So what happened here is, like, look at that, the Peanut token, it just launched here. Few days before the election, it was below 1 cent here, right? Which was crazy high, right? Because we have 1 billion of a max supply here. So that's already a 10 million FDV here. And it hovered around that. And then something happened on November 10th here, right? And you see that in the trading volume down here also, not just in the, you don't see the volume, here's the volume. You see that here, volume went up, right? So something made the Peanut token way more popular and, way more well-known to more people. And look at that jump, right? It jumped like in a matter of minutes, from around 1 cent or below 1 cent to like hovering around 40 cents here, right? So, and then it stayed there for a couple of days, and then something else happened just recently, November 12th. And boom, look at that. It went up to $1.70 or something like that. That's where it's hovering right now. And these are crazy gains, my friends. And of course, not only you, but everyone is thinking, like, should I get into these meme coins, right? And there's other meme coins, of course. Dogecoin has been rising like crazy for obvious reasons the last few days. And even the mother token has been rising again, and all these other, and Bonk and everything, right? So should you go into meme coins? Probably. I'm Blockchain Bernie. I'm more of a little bit of a technical guy here. I'm not the right person to advise you on that. I would just say, with everything where we have a bull market, people get exuberant. You see some exuberance in the market, right? Take some profits if you need to, right? There's nothing wrong with taking some profits. You don't have to sell all of it, but sell some of it, especially in the meme coin area, right? And with some of that taking profit, I'm a guy, like, if I have a super high conviction of something, right, where I feel like it's not fully developed yet, and I see a great team, and I know the CEO, I know everything they have to say, and watched all their interviews, and kind of I feel I know what's going on at a specific company, and I have that super high conviction. And that happens not, it doesn't happen every day, right? It's like these companies that are just great and will just be growing and growing and have that opportunity to 100x or 1000x your prices there, they are not everywhere, right? I personally have a super high conviction in a few of these stocks, and I shared that before. And I'm not selling any of my NVIDIA, and I haven't been selling any. I bought some even when there was a slight pullback the last few days. I have super high conviction of my Tesla stock, and I have super high conviction in my Sol tokens. And of course, I have super high conviction in my XAND tokens. And that's for Xandeum. So if you haven't heard of that, Xandeum is building a scalable storage layer for the Solana blockchain. They are building something really fantastic. And it is one of these things, you know, me having that high conviction, I'm biased, right? So full disclosure here, that Xandeum project has been founded by myself, and so it's basically my project, right? But the token got recently listed. So, and you can buy it on Jupiter, right? So if you're on the Solana chain, you can go to jup.ag, jup.ag, and then just say selling, for example, USDC, buying XAND. And you see here for $154, you're almost getting like 10,000 XAND tokens. It, you know, just a few seconds ago, it was at 10,500. Now it's only 9,976. So the XAND price is rising, probably because I'm live streaming right now. So, but you know, I have super high conviction here because we're building something really awesome. I don't want to repeat everything here, but you know, go to xandeum.network, read everything, or just Google Xandeum, read everything about us that you can find. And the XAND token hasn't been rising as much as the meme coins have the last few days, right? And but nevertheless, you know, it's going to build momentum with the products that we're building, and also with kind of the word spreading, and we're working, of course, on that. And we just had a Twitter Spaces with someone else's channel earlier today, which was a great Spaces. So these moments will happen anytime, right? And it always happens in waves, right? It's rarely is it like a gradual movement that only goes up. It's like it was with Tesla from 2012 to 2017, 18, nothing happened, right? And then boom, there was that 20x movement, as we've seen with the peanut token here, right? So with those meme coins, how long will it last? The answer is, I don't know, and nobody knows, right? And also the answer is, I cannot have full conviction in a meme coin. How can I, right? There's nothing like, if I have a token or a stock where I know what's going on and what they're building and what's the team behind it, I can say, okay, I have that super high conviction that they are building something great. It's going to be useful for the world, and at some point, everyone's going to be using it. And then I have that high conviction, right? I cannot have that in a meme coin because it's almost clear from the beginning that it's, yeah, not something that will actually work for you to kind of multiply your investment. It's just based on psychology and mass psychology, and it has to fade at some point in time, right? So if I'm in meme coins, and I did that just for fun with the mother token right in my channel here, and I made some nice profits off of that, but that's not something I want to do more often because my strength is, you know, figuring out what's going to rise long term, right? And I've made, you know, very good experience with that, with my Apple stock, with my Tesla stock, with my NVIDIA stock, with my Sol tokens, right? And also with my XAND tokens, right? So yeah, that's something that I feel about this, and nobody knows how long the meme coin craze is going to last. It's probably going to go in waves, just like everything else, but the waves are going to go up and down, right? Meme coins have crazy high volatility. So once they go up like this here, I would probably take some profits. If it's the peanut token, I would take a lot of profits if I had some. I don't. But yeah, so that's how I feel about these meme coins. You know, you can make a lot of money as in gambling with, you know, getting some and hoping to find the right point in time to get in and the right point in time to get out. So with meme coins, it's all about timing the market, and timing the market is something I don't like to do. And everyone says, you know, don't try to time the market because it can work sometime, but other times it doesn't. And even if you find the right time to get in, you might not find the right time to get out again, or vice versa. So I pretty much prefer things that can give me a high conviction that they're, you know, onto something and have or build a product that's going to capture the world. And that's how I that's how I think about things. All right, if you have any other questions about that, let me just know down in the comments what you think about meme coins. What are the best meme coins that you are in? If you have stories that you made a lot of money from meme coins, let us know down in the comments. If you have stories where you lost a lot of money with meme coins, let us know in the comments as well. All these comments and stuff will give you points on the Xandeum.network site. You can collect and claim your points for the next airdrop. And for today, thanks so much for watching.